In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row in Google Sheets. Adding new rows in the right place is a simple skill, but it makes a big difference when you're organizing data, updating reports, or cleaning up a spreadsheet someone else created. I'll walk you through a clear, easy method that works in the standard Google Sheets interface, and I'll also share a few helpful tips along the way so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open in your browser and that you're signed into your account. Once your spreadsheet is open, look toward the very top of the screen for the main menu bar. This is the row of words like File, Edit, View, and so on. Find the option labeled Insert. This is where Google Sheets keeps all the tools for adding new elements such as rows, columns, and other items. Move your mouse to the word Insert and click it once. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu shows you different things you can insert into your sheet. Among the options, you'll see choices related to rows. If you already have a specific cell selected in your sheet, Google Sheets will use that selection to decide where to place the new row. Now, from this Insert menu, click on the Row option. Depending on your current selection, you may see something like Row Above or Row Below. This is Google Sheets asking you exactly where you want to place the new row in relation to the row you currently have selected. At this point, you simply choose whether you want the new row to appear above or below the row you clicked on earlier. Select the option that fits what you're trying to do. If you pick Above, a new empty row will appear directly above your current row. If you choose Below, it will appear directly under it. Your existing data will automatically shift down to make room so nothing is lost. A quick tip: before you open the Insert menu, click on the row number on the far left of the sheet to highlight the entire row you want to insert, above or below. This makes it easier to see exactly where the new row will go, and that's all there is to it. By clicking Insert, choosing the row option, and then deciding on above or below, you can quickly keep your Google Sheets organized and up to date.